Apple MacBook Air with Intel Core i5 1.6 GHz dual-core turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz, with 4 MB L3 cache. It has 8 GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3 RAM, 256 GB PCIe-based SSD, 13.3-inch diagonal LED-backlit display with IPS technology, 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch with support for millions of colors, Intel UHD graphics 617720p FaceTime HD camera, stereo speakers 3 microphones. Space gray color in macOS. Inside the box, you will find a Type-C USB charger cable, a user guide, and a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Apple MacBook Air users won't be disappointed that this update is thinner and lighter than ever before. However, it's only slightly faster, and definitely more expensive. If you've not been convinced by the MacBook Air before, the cosmetic enhancements might not be enough to sway you now. Processor number, i5-821-0Y, code name, products formerly Amber Lake Y. Base frequency, 1.60 GHz. Turbo frequency, 3.60 GHz. 6 MB smart cache memory. 2 cores and 4 threads. Lithography, 14 nanometers. 8 GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3. Onboard memory. 13.3-inch diagonal LED backlit display, with IPS technology, 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch with support for millions of colors. It has 256 GB PCIe-based SSD. Integrated graphics is Intel UHD graphics 617. About the battery, up to 12 hours wireless web, up to 13 hours iTunes movie playback, up to 30 days of standby time, built-in 50.3 Wh lithium polymer battery. 30W, USB-C power adapter, USB-C power port. Stereo speakers and 3 microphones. 78 US or 79 ISO individual LED backlit keys, including 12 function keys and 4 arrow keys. Ambient light sensor. Force touch trackpad for precise cursor control and pressure sensing capabilities, enables force clicks, accelerators, pressure sensitive drawing, and multi-touch gestures. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi wireless networking, IEEE 802.11a B/gram compatible. Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology. 3.5mm headphone jack. Dimensions, 0.16 to 0.61 by 11.97 by 8.36 inch. Weight, 1.25 kilograms. Many Mac computers and displays have a built-in iSight, FaceTime, or FaceTime HD camera, located near the top edge of the screen. The camera automatically turns on when you open an app that can take pictures, record videos, or make video calls. You can decide which apps are allowed to use the camera on your Mac. See Control Access to your camera on Mac. I think this camera is better than other models. It has a fingerprint sensor, which are integrated with power button. It has only 2 USB Type-C port, and a combo audio port. This Type-C port can be used as a display port, data transfer and for charging. If you need more ports then you may need to use dock station. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the red button and then bell icon. Take care.